Maybe you received a call from your bank wanting to sell you credit card insurance. Or maybe you didn't. CBC's Marketplace found people were paying for credit card insurance even though they never agreed to it.
Well, Yvonne, I'll tell you, I was watching Marketplace back in April or May of 2019. I love the show and I watch it a lot.
And watching that particular night paid off big time for Dartmouth resident Sheila McIsaac. Credit card insurance, sometimes called balance protection, is sold by banks. They pitch it as financial protection when you need it most, to pay part or all of your credit card bill if you get sick or lose your job. But the fine print has limitations. The Financial Consumer Agency of Canada calls it high risk to consumers. It was the Marketplace story of a father and son recovering almost $6,000 in credit card insurance they hadn't agreed to pay that caught McIsaac's eye.
But the more I thought of it, I thought, that could be me.
She checked her credit card statements, and sure enough, there was the fee for balance protection. So the 79-year-old widow started asking questions, and over the next several months kept written records of all of her phone conversations. On September 17th, McIsaac received a call from Assurant, the company that handles Royal Bank's insurance claims. They played a recording of a sales call, pitching the benefits of credit card insurance and trying to sell it to her. She says she acknowledged what the salesman was saying, but never agreed to buy the insurance. She was told the case was closed, so she asked for written proof that she'd agreed to purchase it.
I say, can you send me a statement where I signed up for it?
That's not what she got. Instead, she received this voicemail on October 4th, reiterating her case was closed.
Sheila, my name is Beverly. I'm the one that permitted you to listen to the phone call, and that file is closed, as I did mention to you the day that you heard the phone call.
But McIsaac didn't feel valued at all. With no one willing to provide her with a letter proving she'd signed up for the insurance, she called CBC, and we contacted the Royal Bank on December 18th. McIsaac was subsequently refunded $3,900. The letter she received didn't provide proof she'd signed up for it, but it said she knew about it and had contacted them to discuss coverage. On those calls, you acknowledged this coverage and indicated you wanted to maintain the coverage on your credit card. It goes on to say it's issuing a credit as a customer service gesture because she's a valued RBC Royal Bank customer. In an email to CBC, Royal Bank apologized for any confusion and said it decided to offer her the refund because its goal is to ensure clients are happy with the products they purchase. McIsaac's experience is one of the reasons why this consumer advocate says banks need to be more accountable and provide proof the customer has signed up.
And that would require from me a written positive statement instead of a vague reference to something on the phone that they then interpret as somebody agreeing, consenting to pay all this extra money.
As for Sheila McIsaac, she maintains she never agreed to the insurance, but she's sure happy with her refund, hoping her story will encourage others to check their credit card bills. Yvonne Colbert, CBC News, Halifax.